Awesome writing tools. Hi, I'm Cecilia Elise Wallin from Inventicity, and in this video I will talk about free writing tools you can find online. And these tools will help you to write faster and to get more time for inspiration and creativity. So let's jump into it. Now, I will not only show you the best free online editing apps for writers, I will also suggest a workflow you can use if you want to write and edit really fast. So now we are here in YouTube, and why? Well, it's because you can use YouTube's free transcription tool. So if you have a writer's block or if you have some difficulties getting started writing, you can use your microphone and you can record what you have to write. And then you can upload your recording or your recording and video into YouTube, and you can use YouTube's free transcription tool. So here I have uploaded a recording into YouTube. And what I do is I click on the three dots here, and then I click on Open Transcript, and I click on the three dots here, and I click on Toggle Timestamps. So, and then I copy the transcription here, and now I can start editing. So if I want to, I can go to Grammarly, which is a completely free online editing tool. And here I can paste my text, and I can set goals here. I can choose the audience I intend to reach. I can choose formality level. I can choose domain and tone. And here I choose the default settings. And once I have done that, I can start editing my text. So here we have suggestions. I can improve the correctness using the suggestions from Grammarly here. The clarity, so sometimes you get suggestions here on how you can improve the clarity, and you get suggestions on how you can improve the engagement and delivery. So here I can go through and improve my text, and once I have improved my text, if I want to continue editing it, I can mark it all, I can copy it, and I can go to another completely free online app called Hemmingway Editor, hemmingwayapp.com. So here I can paste my text, and I will get suggestions here on how to improve my texts. It says here, readability grade 5, it's good, but not excellent. So I get some suggestions here on how to improve the text. Okay, I don't have too many adverbs, but I don't use passive voice too much either. But here it says that one phrase has a simpler alternative. So we can see the phrase previously here. It says here I can change it till before. Yeah, that might be something to consider. And it says here that 3 sentences are hard to read, and those sentences are marked with yellow here. So I can look through those sentences and I can improve them. All right, once I have used Hemmingway app to improve my text, I can copy it again, and I can go to another completely free online tool, which is called Rewordify.com. I can paste my text here, and then I can click on Rewordify text, and it will be made easier to read so that I can reach a larger audience. So here I have rewordified text where easier words are used, and I can go through these suggestions and see if I want to use them or not. And here in Rewordify I can also get stats, a read score, a flash reading e-score, and lexical density, and a lot more interesting stats. And I can click here on parts of speech, and I can see the parts of speech here, and that might help me to improve my text. At least it might be helpful if I'm an English learner, or of course if I'm an English teacher. So this might be a helpful tool as well, Rewordify.com. All right, once I have edited my text, maybe I want to make some graphics for my blog posts or for my articles or for my videos. And what I can do is I can look for good quotes in my text. So let's choose a quote here. And then I can go to canva.com, and here I can make beautiful graphics for my videos and blog posts and articles. So let's paste the quote I have chosen here like this. Okay, and maybe I want to change the font, so let's go like this and change font like this. Okay, and maybe I want to make my quote a little larger, like this. And I can use this tool to position my quote. Yeah, okay, and then I might want to have a background. Let's search for something with books. So, yeah, this one is good. So let's choose this one. And then I can move my quote over here like this. And I can make it a little larger. So, yeah, and then I might want to emphasize my quote, and I can choose effects here and lift. Yeah, so now I have a beautiful graphic for my blog post, and I can just download this graphic here and upload to my blog post or video or article. Yeah, so these were some really helpful editing tools and one design tool to improve your writing and to make your writing process super fast.